What if cats had wings? Would they still take naps all day, or would they fly around like birds? It's hard to say for certain what they would do. We can make some educated guesses based on what we know about cats and their behavior. Cats are known for their love of napping and spending long periods of time lounging around. It's likely that even if cats had wings, they would still take naps and rest frequently throughout the day. Having wings would also give cats the ability to explore their environment in new ways and access higher places they may not have been able to reach before. It's possible that they would spend some of their time flying and gliding, especially if they found it enjoyable or if it helped them hunt for prey. It's important to note that cats are also creatures of habit and tend to stick to familiar routines.